Okay, so what does a software engineer do? He or she is responsible for the whole life cycle of developing software using programming languages such as Java, Python, React, JavaScript, and the list goes on and on and on. And it's got to do with also testing and maintaining code. Software engineering, a good example would be John. John is a junior software developer, and maybe a user or a customer reports that the add to cart button is broken, doesn't work. So John would, as a junior software developer, try and fix that with code using React and JavaScript and fix that add to cart button on an e-commerce site. He will also obviously test that it works and maybe implement new features such as your wish list or recommended products. So if you had to choose a product like a gold watch, it will recommend other watches for you, and a software engineer would be responsible for that. Another example would be if Aisha, a lady named Aisha, she's a software engineer at Spotify, and she is responsible for working with data analysts and data scientists to basically improve the code of Spotify. Also maybe to add a wish list or recommend songs that you might like, genres that you might like. So for example, if you're listening to Mumford & Sons, maybe it'll recommend another band or another artist that is similar to that. And a software engineer would work closely with the data scientist, with the data analyst, and also with the testers to see if it actually works. So that's a perfect example. Okay, software engineers in South Africa, they can earn up to 100,000 Rand a month. Junior software developers, or software engineers rather, start off at about 40,000 Rand a month. If you're interested in software engineering, School of IT offers a software engineering course. It's 2 programming languages from an introduction level all the way up to advanced level.